Second time out with the FMS Olympus, this big Patternship from FMS. They really do cover all the bases with all of their different aircraft, the warbirds, aerobatic machines, jets, and Patternships like this, which is meant for, you know, precision flying. Now, I'm not sure I'm a precision pilot, but I'll give it my best shot. So this should be really good for doing highly accurate, you know, if you want to do a clubman schedule or a sportsman schedule or those types of things, this is great, and it's not going to break the bank because it's not a composite model, but it's a good size for it. Now it's a bit windy today, 15 to 20 miles an hour, but with the gyro system, the reflex gyro system in optimized mode should cancel that out. I'm using the new Radiomaster Pocket radio. Fantastic thing, this. You know, it's only 65 bucks. $65, and then I've got an ER8 ELRS Radiomaster receiver in here, which doesn't cost a lot of money as well. So you don't have to break the bank nowadays. You know, you don't have to don't have to buy into these premium radios that cost £1,000. Just crazy if you spend that type of money. You just don't need to. And I'm an advocate for not spending tons of money on big aeroplanes like this. So let's go. Little full rudder, keep it in a straight line. Okay. Okay, Trev?
Yep.
Trev on camera. Final check, and we're away. So that's what I love about this effortless knife edge, especially in the wind. We'll do that again, bring it in closer for you, Trevor.
That'd be nice.
Just a little bit of tuning on the trim. So out there, crank it over.
Nicely done. Nicely done. Right down the runway.
Yeah, let's do it lower. Come on, let's do it.
Yeah, you look professional. We're going to enter it.
It's easy on a windy day like this. People hate flying on windy days, but use it to your advantage if it's down the strip, especially.
We're going to put you down for IMAC this year, I think, Dom. Nice.
That's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks good.
And it's built, you know, that's what it's built for. It's got quite a side profile to it. Nice stall turns. Pretty effortless, you know, with not a lot of power. Using less than half power to do all of these maneuvers. Amazing, it just floats along. I mean, that's the benefit of foam as well. It's so light. Does teach you how to use rudder though. You can't really do the manoeuvres unless you are using rudder.
It's a very good looking plane. I like the colours on it.
It's a lovely, nice scheme, isn't it?
Yeah.
Inverted, pretty effortless as well. Just a tiny bit of up, down, sorry.
I reckon that'd be a good plane to do your B test with.
Yeah, you know what, I think you're right.
Oh, doing a bit of 3D.
That's the thing, the remarkable thing. Some planes just won't 3D. This won't properly 3D because the control surfaces are a lot smaller than a plane that is designed for it, but kind of hovered.
Yeah, I guess if you go into something it's well balanced, it shouldn't really kind of get too much out of shape.
Alright, I'm going to do one last knife edge to because I enjoy knife edge more than anything else. Finishing off the flight that way.
Okay.
Brilliant.
That was good.
Bring it in. Windy day, so I can cut the approach short. There you go. So in this I'm using a 6S 5000 pack from George at 4max code at UK, really good 60C packs, and an FR Sky X8R receiver paired up with this pocket radio, new pocket radio from Radiomaster. Thanks for watching, thanks to Trev on camera. We'll be back soon on Essential RC. Cheers, bye. Thanks Trev.